Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial showing you how to create a free website using the new Elite blog editor. So first go to Elite. At the home page, you either click create your free site or scroll down and click on get started. The next thing is choosing the category. So what happens here is the category contains all the templates you link for your free website. So depending on the type of website you want to create, just pick a corresponding or an appropriate category. For example, if you are creating a free website for your agency, go ahead and click agency. If you are creating for, say, personal website, you'll find templates under creative category. So for this tutorial, we're going to create a free website for an agency, say marketing. So you go ahead and click agency. Then these are templates under that category. So you can browse all of it, just go through all of it, and then pick the one you like. So for this tutorial, we are going to use this template. So once you've identified the template that you wish to use, go ahead and click create from. The next thing is creating an account. So what happens here is Elite allows you to create an account three ways. Number one is using your email and you choose the password. The next option is using Google, that's the Gmail, or you use your Apple account. So if you are new, you just pick any. You go ahead and create an account right here. So for me, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Once you log in, this is what you will see. So what happens here is there are two things right here. So when you click this one, it takes you directly to the website that you are trying to edit. So you can scroll down and just view it. Other thing is connecting your own domain. Now there are a couple of things I'd wish to share with you right here. So this section here contains all the blocks you need. That is, if you wish to add a block to your project. For example, if I want to add text, I'll just drag this one and drop anywhere right here. The same case to adding either an image, adding a map, a quote, or a channel. Yeah, and Elite has a ton of them. Just scroll down here. Something else, to edit, for example, to change the text, just double click on it, then just change, just like that, and you're done. So you can use all of these editing tools to spice up your text and you're ready. Now these tools right here is for unpublishing. So if you don't want to publish, I mean if you don't want your website to be live, just click on it and it will unpublish. This one is for auto saving. So if you don't want, so what happens is Elite auto saves everything. You're doing every change you do is auto saved immediately. So you can turn it off if you don't want that. This one is for clearing the entire canvas, that is if you wish to start from scratch, that is. Then this is for redo, then undo. This is for entering to full screen. This is for previewing. Use this one to enter the mobile mode and the tablet mode and the desktop mode. You click here to go back to your dashboard, and that is right about it.